Hey guys, welcome to this video. It's Femi here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I cleanse my scalp while my hair is in extensions. Before we get started, please like the video, please subscribe, and please turn on your post notifications. Right, so now that we've gotten out of the way, the first thing I'm doing is to remove my hair from my nets. That's what I've been using to sleep, and that's what I wear when I'm in the house. I'm showing you the state of my scalp right now. Now I've had these braids for this twist for 2 weeks now, and my scalp is not so dirty, and I don't really have a lot of build-up because I have not applied any products on my hair since I made the hair. Now for this cleansing, we are going to be using an afro comb, apple cider vinegar, a warm water. There's a warm water inside the blue bowl, and I would also be using my tea tree essential oil. If you have peppermint oil, it would be nice to add that as well. I added half the bottle cap, yes, and I was using the on the side of my crochet pin to stir it all together. Now you can use a metal pick rather than an afro comb because that is usually set to do a better job. Now what you're going to be using the comb to do is to basically pick out the flake from your hair. Now if you've taken your hair for a longer period of time, the flakes will be visible, and using the comb to pick it out will bring even more out so that you can cleanse it and get rid of all the flake and all the dirt in your hair at a go. However, I did not have a lot of flake at the start, but you will see that as I pick it here, when I show you my scalp, when I get done picking and all of this that I'm doing, you are going to come up some flakes that I would have brought out from the hair. Now you can see, and I'm just going to shake my head a little to get it all out. I decided to do some more picking, and of course some more flakes came out. I did the same thing, shook my head, used my hands to just dust everything off, and then I was going to start the cleansing process. The first thing I did was to gather all of my hair in a section so that it would help me deal with everything at a go. Now you want to get a very soft towel that is not going to be harsh on your hair, and you want to start your cleansing. When you're cleansing, you want to make sure that you are doing it in the direction that your hair has been made. This is so that you do not make a mess of the patterns and you do not get your hair rougher than it already is. Yes, so you clean, and I did this because like the sections were not so small, so it wasn't a big deal for me to do the hair one by one. Also, my hair had begun itching even while I had not put anything in my hair, so I wanted to really take my time on my scalp. Now I did this one by one, sort of using my fingers to just clean in the direction that the hair has been made, so I do not make a mess of my patterns. When I feel the towel beginning to dry, I dip it in some more water, and then I continue cleansing. You want to make sure you're gentle, you want to make sure you're not harsh on your hair. Just take it easy, especially if you've moisturized your hair. If you've moisturized your hair, you're going to have even more build up than I have now, so do not be worried if you see that your towel is a bit dirty. That's going to be normal. What you're doing here is cleansing your scalp. When I'm done, I massage my hair. I do not add anything to my hair while I'm doing this massage. I did not massage with oil. I just wanted my scalp to be free, and that was all I was going to be doing. Now after this, you can choose to blow dry your hair to make sure that your hair is really dry, because your roots will be kind of damp because of all the warm water that you've already used on your scalp. Now when you are done, you can also choose to add your growth oil or whatever it is. You can choose to do your usual moisturizing process that you do when your hair is in braids, but I just wanted to leave my scalp alone, and I'm wearing my hair nets now, but as soon as I was done filming this video, I removed it to let my roots dry properly so it did not start smelling. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I wanted to make this short and simple and straight to the point. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to share if you found it really helpful. And make sure to turn on your post notifications. Again, make sure to subscribe, okay? Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye.